In a magical forest, a wise old owl named Hooty discovered a hidden garden of glowing plants. These plants whispered secrets of healing to those who listened. One day, a sickly rabbit named Thumper stumbled upon the garden. Hooty explained that the plants were like special helpers, boosting the body's strength in times of need. Thumper nibbled on the leaves, feeling a warm glow spread through him. As he healed, he realized the plants didn't cure him, but supported his journey. The twist. The garden vanished, leaving only a single seed in Thumper's paw, a reminder of nature's gentle aid.